Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Yango app. You click on settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you will search about the application of Yango and you will click here. Then you will click on first stop and you will click OK. After that you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account or can cause you errors on your app. So after that you will go to Play Store and then you can update your app on Play Store. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video. And thank you for your watching and your